E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of products or services over the Internet. It involves online transactions between businesses, individuals, and other organizations. This can include transactions between businesses and consumers, B2C, between businesses and other businesses, B2B, and between consumers, C2C. E-commerce has become increasingly popular due to the convenience it offers. Customers can browse and purchase products or services from the comfort of their own home, and businesses can reach a wider audience without the need for a physical storefront. E-commerce platforms also offer a range of payment methods, including credit, debit cards, e-wallets, and online banking, making it easy for customers to complete transactions. E-commerce has revolutionized the way businesses operate and has created new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small businesses to reach global markets.